Hey guys, my name's Shimon Birds and Wheels Fan 96 here, and guys, this is a Happy New Year special. So today, this is a day of car spotting, so let's get started. There's a lot of cars on the highway. Let's see if we can spot these questions. Here's the first one. This one is a Vodafone truck. Here is a Aeronica truck, a Transmore Travel, a Super Privata, and there's a motorcycle as well. Another motorcycle right there, an auto right there. There's our other motorcycle. There's a big truck, Ibn Azur. This one is actually UTC. This one's Private Transformers Shuttle. And over here is a Subaru van that's parked there. Here's a People Pass and Ride bus. An E-Transfers van that is leaving. A FedEx van. Over here we have is a yellow Sus. What? How is it called Sus? Is it boop 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 boop? Okay, let's keep going. Here's another auto. This one's a special one. Here's a Playa Express van. Right over here is a big one. I'm not sure what the model on this one is. Here's a D-body bus. There's a van right there with the color. Another FedEx van. There's another Playa Express. Another Playa Express, a Transport D Astrado, a Magni Charters van, an Astra truck, a Diwali van. Well, there's a lot of vans, guys, and a lot of buses too. So most of these are cars driving on the road. Look, I see some special ones coming. There's a van right there, but I'm not sure what the model is. And there's another one, I'm not sure. Here we have is a Hit van. There's another van, I'm not sure what this one is. And this one's an unidentified van. There's a truck driving. Another unidentified van. Two vans driving off. Another van driving off. So many vans. There's a yellow Sus again. Discoverer. Another Playa Express. Helvex. Comfort Inn. It's a blue van. There's a truck holding something. I don't see it there anymore. We always have to keep watching. We have an Angler and Dolphin Bananas. It's a yellow truck. And this one is, there's no motorcycle driving. Sabrina. And there's an auto van. Look at this one. It's a Larmax truck. Pretty huge. There's a Smart Shuttle right there. Here is Theodore Grua and Millet. We have Alpura. We have the Cancun Discovery with a Jaguar on it. We have is this truck, another motorcycle. So that the truck was leaving near the OXXO. Next up we have, this is Prostapaga. I can't remember all the names on these trucks and cars. Okay, let's see a spot. I see some more coming. So the first one we have is SM M8 Alto, another unidentified van, a Wi-Fi van, a car D7. I have no idea what that is. We have is a big truck, Ocean Latte. I don't know what that is. Here's another Sabritas truck. That's like the Niagara Falls there. Next, here's another van. Right over here's another, this one's an unidentified truck, I'm not sure. Peak Recon. There's another truck. I have no idea what that is. La Ferry. Another motorcycle. We have Your Wildlife. Deval. And we have, oh look at this one, I've never seen this one. This one is Caribe. Another Bonneton. A Liverpool. There's an unidentified bus and an unidentified truck. There's two motorcycles driving. We have King. There's an unidentified van. We have a Rena cabin, which is Playa Express, Transbay, shuttle bus, another motorcycle driving. There's so many, I'm not sure on the top of my head. Here's a Hiyoko. There's another bus coming. This one is another auto, but this one's different. Here is a Proita. And we have another van, but I'm not sure what that is. A shuttle car and another unidentified van. Two motorcycles driving. There's an unidentified truck. Unidentified van with number 310. Here's another auto van. And the second one. Here's a taxi. And we have this type of bus. I'm not sure what type. It's an unidentified bus. I'm not sure what that is. That has some waves thingies. And we have another unidentified van and another unidentified van. There's so many unidentified vans. Here's an EcoDI truck and a Vega truck. Where you can't see the logo. Another unidentified truck. A Discovia and another taxi. And we have another van. This is one Patrugia. We have an ambulance, life, e-transferers. There's another bus right there, Mayab. The next one is another unidentified van, Playa Express, another one. Another unidentified van, and there's so many unidentified vans. So many unidentified ones because I can't remember. Another motorcycle, Playa. I'm not sure what that is. Sus, Booby, what? There's another unidentified van. Another unidentified one. This one is Isuzu, but I cannot see the logo. So that means it's an unidentified truck. Oh look, there's some more people, more contestants coming. We have a Ruta Europe, Almex. It's a green car. There is a van. Oh my God, there's a twee bus. And then we have, there's another unidentified van. There's another bus coming. There we have is another motorcycle. We have Playa again. We have Transport di Persona. I can't remember the names on all of these. There's another bus. This one's also a different one. There's no auto. Here's a Domino's one. So yeah, this one's different, the mountain version. Here's the Larmex that came from OXXO. There's another 80. Another unidentified truck. And carrying a shell. Yellow sus again! There's something to little sus here! There's another truck with some bread on it. I'm not sure what the model is. La Coco Segundos. Playa Express. Another unidentified bus. Tiger Russes. Unidentified van. There's a cement mixer. I'm not sure what the name is on it though. Transporti T. Astal. There's one right there. Truck right there. There's one right there. And another unidentified truck we have is a San Gabriel or San Gabriel. There's some more unidentified vans. AU. There's another auto. There's the other mountain one. And as you can see, there's some more coming. So then the next one is another, this one is readable. Another unidentified van. DMC. Here's another auto. There's so many autos everywhere. Here's a Cancun Playa shuttle bus. Here's an auto bus and auto tour. Here's another Tina bus. Here's a Plaza truck. Another Twee bus. Another unidentified truck. An Agmunda Cam van. I'm not sure how you pronounce that. A Transport Trust Esto, another one. Another unidentified van. There's so many unidentified vans, guys. There's another unidentified one. Here's a Diwali van. And another unidentified van. And another unidentified van. And another unidentified van. Here is a Best Day van. An Excelsior transfer van. There's another van, but I'm not sure. Unidentified truck. There's Rodek. There's also another bus coming. We have is a Vidnata bus and another AU bus. An Oda bus or Excelsior. Here's another Cancun Discovery. There's the Jaguar hanging out. Next we have is another Anchronac DC. Another unidentified van. So yeah guys, I'm not going to do cars right now. I'm going to do vans and trucks, buses. There's another unidentified van. I'm not sure what that is. We have is ACH. I have no idea what that is. have is Playa Express, another one. Here's Hollanda truck. We have is an orange bus, and that means we have Nexus. We have another unidentified van. There's another one. This one is 98, and this one over here is, I'm not sure what that is. Another unidentified van, another unidentified truck. There is Deep Life. There's a truck right there, but I don't know what the name is. We have is a Gua Potable truck. Thomas More Travel. Here is another truck, but I'm not sure what the name is on it. Here is another van. Cancun Playa, that means Playa Express. Another Playa Express. There's so many Playa Expresses, guys. Oh my gosh, there's a truck coming. There's two more unidentified vans. This one is Letty's Mexico. The next one we have is another unidentified van, another motorcycle. Just looked at me. A Cara Fever truck. There's another unidentified truck. Unidentified van. There's another auto. We have, this is 25 Poly Express. There's another van, taxi van. Well, let's see if there are any more. Looks like that's it. Oh no, never mind. Here's a Kyocera, another travel and tours van. I'm not sure what that is. I'm not gonna do cars, guys. I'm only gonna do vans, trucks, and buses. There's another FedEx van, but he's just stuck to the edge, so we'll have to wait. Here's a Panic, I'm not sure what it is. Taxi. Here's another Cancun Discovery with another Jaguar on it. This one over here is Walnut. We have another auto bus. And there's another one as well. We have Epura, Mayan, USA Transfers, another USA Transfers, Green Line, Isuzu. Here is a truck, but I'm not sure what that is. Maybe the painting came off. Here is a TGO. Here is an auto tour. This is a van. Another unidentified truck. Sunwing van. Here's a Transport Chasey. Another one. Another auto. Here's a Super Track truck, taxi. A Smile Smith Moore. A Mercado Libre van. A Chaturari. A Bloody Bantu. There's another truck, but it has plants on it. Here is another Ecodeli. Here's another unidentified truck. Chapo. One Pactukia. A guy. Adult bus. Here's another unidentified bus, but it's sus! Yellow sus! Something's a little sus here. Here's Coconut. And we have a taxi. We have a Price Travel van. another one Pachuca, a truck-on, another ambulance, a Tilksy TV van, and it looks like that's it. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.